So you're telling me this thing cuts steel with water?
As thick as you can get under the jet, that's correct. So tap pressure's not quite enough to feed the pump.
Yep.
The pump then generates 50,000 PSI. It's fed through the network.
Hang on, stop. 50,000 pounds per square inch.
That's correct.
That's a staggering amount of pressure.
Yeah.
And that's going to cut through steel?
That will cut pretty much anything you put under the jet.
Is it just water in there?
No, we actually mix an abrasive. Water won't cut on its own. It will cut soft goods, but not steels.
Right, showtime.
Yeah.
What are we looking at here then?
So this is the tool path. You'll recognise these parts.
I do. So that's our design?
That's your design.
Right. What are the advantages of doing it this way on water as opposed to cutting it by laser or by gas axe or whatever it'll be?
The advantages of doing it on waterjet is you don't get any heat affected zones.
Right.
So if you were tapping any holes, you don't want to change any of the molecular properties of the steel.
Right.
You don't want to temper it, harden it, things like that.
So it's a cold cut,
It's a cold cut process, that's right.
Should we get started on it?
Yeah, let's get started. Put some safety glasses on for me.
Okay, yep. Right. Whoa! So that noise we heard, was it initially breaking through the steel?
Yeah, that was breaking through the steel, yeah.